What's up, everyone? I am Jamie with 3littlegoats.com. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you've been around for a while, welcome back. I'm glad to see you as always. So today we are doing another soap making video. That's 2 this month. I am on a roll. I know. So glad I made so many soap videos in advance because we have some exciting news coming up. But you'll have to subscribe for that because that's going to be its own separate video. But without further ado, today we are going to be doing a kind of fall Pacific Northwest inspired soap. It smells, it reminds me of being out on the hiking trails. It's got hints of juniper, and I used a fragrance oil called Kismet that's got some really yummy woody undertones that I absolutely love how the smell of this soap turned out. But without further ado, why am I talking about it? Let's go make it. So let's go. Alright, y'all. I hope y'all are ready to make some more soap. Like I said last week, I'm getting back into soap making. I've made some mistakes already because it's been so long since I've made any soap. But we are doing a beer soap. You can kind of see my beer lye mixture over there. If you don't know how to make beer soap, or you don't want to make beer soap, you can make just a regular lye mixture. And if you want to learn how to make beer soap, there will be a link here, over here, or over here. It's been a while. I don't remember. But I have a step-by-step video showing you how to make beer soap. But today we're going to be doing a kind of a foresty kind of theme, but I'm throwing some purple in there because I really wanted to use this purple. I ordered some Pow Pow purple from Mad Micah's, and it called to me today. It told me I needed to use it. I needed to use it right now. So I'm using that purple, and then I'm using emerald green from Crafter's Choice. And then for fragrances, I'm going to be using a combination of crisp juniper and Kismet, and they both smell amazing. And according to the website and the bottle, they don't do accelerate and they don't discolor. And there's zero vanillin in it, so hopefully everything goes well. So my powders have already kind of mixed to the bottom, but I have some kaolin clay in here and I have some goat milk powder in here as well. So I'm going to give those a quick mix real quick just to get that incorporated. Okay, so I am going to pour in my beer lye solution. And I'm just going to mix this to a very light trace. Okay, let's move this out of the way. And we are going to split this batter off without making a mess, preferably. But I can't guarantee anything around here when it comes to making messes. Now I've actually taken my fragrance oil, and because it's supposed to play nicely, I've mixed it with my colorant. That way we're not having to mix twice and thicken our batter up too much. Theoretically, that's how I imagine it to play out in my head. It'll probably go horribly, horribly wrong, knowing me and my luck. Got those all nice mixed in. Give that a quick swirl. So pretty. Let's see how the purple fares. I may have to add just a little bit more purple to this. Definitely not purpley enough. So that's what I'm going to do. Just going to add about that much. Very precise around here, let me tell you. You're not what I thought you were gonna be. You are not a pretty princess like I thought. Give me 1 second. All right, so purple's not coming through the way I want. I'm going to add in some of this dark navy blue because, come on, how gorgeous is that? Probably can't tell how gorgeous it is on camera because my camera and my lighting in here are not the greatest. So let's give this a mix. Right now, can't tell if I love it yet. But I guess that's how it's going to be. Green is gorgeous though. So we got that. Alright, green is thickening up on me, which is very unexpected. Okay, hopefully y'all can see because my camera just like died on me. So I don't have my monitor anymore because once my stuff tech that doesn't compute. But I don't have my external monitor on my phone on right now because my camera just died. So hopefully I can get this all in and you guys can see what I'm doing. Mostly see me make a giant mess. Alright, mold. Just a handy tip, if your mold is going in and you don't have any oil on hand, just take a little bit of your soap and spread it on the inside and it'll keep it in place. Okay, so I'm going to give this a tap. And while it's nice and fluid, I'm just going to give it a quick little swirl. I don't want to too swirly. Just going to go once and back. Just kind of pick up some of that green. And tap it again. And again, I haven't been digging like super textured tops lately. I don't know why it is. I just like a little bit of a swirl per se. And I call it a day. So I am going to let this harden for 24 hours. Actually, I'm going to give it a spritz of rubbing alcohol. And I'm actually going to oven process this. If you don't know how or what oven process is, I have a video on that as well that you can check out, which I will link up in the corner and down in the description box as well. So if you are interested in learning about that. If you don't know what it is, I'll link to it. But until I see you guys later when I cut this, yeah, when I cut this. Alright y'all, so we are ready to cut this soap and oh my god, it smells so good. I did have some soda ash issues with this batch. I planed at the top of it a little bit, but once I cut it into bars, I'll go back and plane it again just to finish getting up the last bit of soda ash. Soda ash isn't harmful. It doesn't make your soap unusable. It just doesn't make it very pretty. So like I said, once I cut these, I'll be able to plane them and make them look nice and pretty. So without further ado, let's get cutting. Now I did leave these in the mold for an extra day, which in hindsight I probably shouldn't have done because they were oven processed, and yep, that's what I thought. So we're gonna get our mussel in today. Okay. Whew. And that is how it turned out. I like how it kind of just swooped across the side. I mean, it's nothing fancy. It smells amazing though. Oh my gosh. Oh, so good. So good. So pretty. Alright, so without further ado, let's head to the outro. So that is what I have got for you guys today. Here is another kind of visual of the soap. Let me get my beauty vlogger had going. It didn't turn out quite as purpley as I wanted. This has actually been curing for about 2 weeks now, but I do love the purple tone that it does have. That's one of the downsides of making beer soap when your lye solution is all beer, is kind of can distort the colors a little bit. You don't get those really vibrant colors, but I am okay with that because I think the colors match the scent of the soap so well, and I can't wait for it to finish curing so I can use it, and hopefully it should be up in my Etsy shop just in time for Christmas. So if you're looking for some Christmas presents for yourself or for someone else, they should all be listed. And like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I do have a huge announcement coming up, but I'm going to make that its own separate video simply because it is such a big announcement. I've kind of hinted towards it in my other videos if you've checked those out this past month, but we did finally find a place to live. So be sure to subscribe for that video, which should be coming out at the end of the week. And if you want more soap videos, be sure to subscribe for those as well, because I've got more soap videos coming out as well. And since you're here anyway, I don't know, you might as well just subscribe because you're here and it's free and the button is right down there. Push it. I know you want to push it. But anyway, like I said, we have some more soap videos coming up, a huge announcement video, and if you want some more soap making videos like this, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye!